That's,
So are we going to learn how to make that?
Yeah, how do we
Yes.
roast
Right.
a peach?
So I like to use Freestone peaches. I have used the clings, and it's really frustrating experience. So I am all about using the Freestone.
They're beautiful. It's actually
They are
a beautiful
beautiful.
peach.
Yes,
It really is.
yes. This is one of the pale skin peaches.
Yeah, that's
And I like mixing the different types of peaches. And a lot of orchards have seconds. So if you don't want to spend all of that money, you know, on the peaches that are absolutely perfection, you can certainly ask them for seconds, and you can get some great deals that way.
So what is the optimal ripeness to do this? I mean, should it be a little bit ripe,
Yes.
totally ripe?
This peach is optimum. You don't want them rock hard. It'll be very frustrating, and roasting it really won't even help you out.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I have also done it when they're way too ripe, and then it's just so much juice, and that does affect the iciness of it.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
So there is this in-between phase that you can kind of put your thumb in. This one might be a little hard, actually. And then I always start, I teach a lot of teenagers at my store this. I always say, have you ever peeled a peach? Do you know how to peel? Most of them do not. So
I think a lot of us adults don't do it very early, very frequently.
So there's a line here that's the easiest. And this
you
one is
twist
not
it
quite,
like avocados.
Well, yes, but
Yeah.
this one is not quite right. Let's
okay,
move
pick
on.
another one. Okay.
Let's move on. Perfect. And that's how you can tell that you have the
Perfect.
right one. I've learned all my vegetable skills from my two grandmothers, who were did lots of things with their hands. And you want to cut them pretty fine, not crazy small. It's because it's nice to get a bigger chunk of peach in.
Yeah.
One of the tricks is making sure you add the peach at the right time to the ice cream.
Oh, that's right.
Oh,
Let
okay.
me grab our.
Yeah, if you
whisk
add
here.
them too soon, you just kind of beat them up and pulverize them. You kind of miss a lot of the texture.
Okay. So they're not exactly the same,
Right.
which is nice for us
Right.
novices.
Oh yeah. I mean, if John was doing this, I'm sure they would be absolutely the same. Right. But mine are not.
Okay.
So yep. So you keep doing that. I always take the skin off. Now, the skin is where all the nutrients are, and I love that aspect of it. But it also kind of gets weird in the ice cream. I don't like what it adds to it, so I always take the skin off.
Okay.
Although I'm sure you could leave the skin on if you want. And then as we get closer to fall, I add a little cinnamon. It kind of gives it more of an autumn
flavor.
And then when you roast this, your house will smell like peach pie and like your bake. It's just a fabulous smell.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yes.
Didn't you tell me that you do it in a convection oven? Is
Yes.
that what you said?
Yes.
Yeah.
At my store, I have this little convection oven,
Yeah.
and I run it a couple times on different cycles. I kind of know what it is supposed to look like. I think at home, if you put it in about 350 for about 30 minutes and watch it, it'll be perfect.
It should be good.
Yes,
it should be good.
Just like roasting.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, you did a little bit before you came, I do believe.
Yes, so this is what my peach mixture ends up looking like.
Wow, that's really, look at that.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
It looks good to eat with that.
I know.
Yeah,
I know.
yeah.
You just put a little something in there and then you can go. All right, so what we did the last time when we did the cinnamon ice cream, we came up with this easy recipe so that anyone that's not quite comfortable with making, from scratch, whether from a creme anglaise or an egg custard kind of thing, that you can do it really easily
Very basic.
and you can be pretty sure it's going to
Yes.
turn out for you.
Yes, and ingredients you can get in any store that are relatively inexpensive. And
Yeah. So, but what do you do when you're making yours? Do you use an egg base? Do you use
we make our own ice cream mix on the farm. It's an all natural base.
Yeah.
So it's made with cane sugar, and we use a natural stabilizer. That's what gives it a creamier texture.
Yeah, right.
So, yeah.
Oh, cool. All right, so this is what we call our easy peasy ice cream. So I have about 2 cups of half and half.
Yes. Yep. Very good.
And then we have about 2 cups of heavy whipping cream.
Okay.
And then this is sweetened condensed milk. Make sure that you do not get evaporated
Exactly.
milk.
Very different.
It
Although
is-
not everyone knows that.
It is
very
very
different.
different. And this actually acts as a stabilizer.
Yes, a
So-
stabilizer and a sweetener. Yes,
You
yep.
want to do that?
It's
and I'll
good.
see you.
It's a very old-fashioned
It is.
ingredient. You know, a lot of people have no idea what.
Sweetened condensed milk. Oh. It's
Yeah,
the
you find
best.
it in so many different recipes.
Yes.
It's kind of the staple for key lime pie.
Yes, it
That
is.
is what makes it happen. Did everybody at home, everybody get that? Could you get more simple than that?
No, I don't
no.
think so.
Don't think so. So basically what you want to do at this point, I generally will take the mixture and put it into the refrigerator. I like to get it nice and cold before I
Yes.
process it.
Yes,
and
it
I do the
certainly
same
shorten
thing
your
with the
time.
peaches.
Yeah.
Because you want everything to be pretty cold.
Yeah.
It's always going to depend on the ice cream maker that you have at home. Just follow the manufacturer's instructions. Most of them here, let's take a look at what we have over here.
Here we go.
And so many of them have these pre-frozen like canisters.
Yes.
And so you put these into the freezer. You could do it a day or so ahead. It gets nice and cold. And then you put your mixture in there, and it just stirs. It kind of stirs and churns at the
Yes,
same time.
yeah, the Freon or the, is in this section and
Yeah.
that's what gets it extra cold. It's really the same principles as the ice cream makers that we use.
That
It's
you use.
just on a much smaller scale.
And
Right.
Mary, you would really liked it if you had been here when I was making this just a little earlier, because as it's just finishing, it is really soft serve.
Oh.
It is so good. So you could just stop it at the soft
Right.
serve stage and go for it.
Right.
Wow.
Right.
Yeah.
And that's about the stage you need to add your peaches if
Okay.
you want to hold on to that texture.
Exactly,
You need
yeah.
to kind of look for the beginning of that soft.
Yeah, when it's just starting to
Yep.
firm up, that's when you want to put your peaches in, because otherwise they go all over the bottom,
Yes.
and you don't want them in there too long,
Right.
Okay.
Right.
because it breaks them all apart.
Yes.
Okay.
Marissa, do you think we should try some of this?
I think we should.
I mean, since we went to all this trouble right here.